How do we create the greatest impact on carbon emissions in Pakistan as quickly as possible? This is a question the team and I wrestled with for a long time. And then one day we had an idea. One of the first things you learn as an engineering student is about motors. And you see, the motor's primary function is to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. This function is critical to power everything from industrial machinery to everyday appliances, like a hairdryer. We estimate that the population of electric motors in Pakistan will increase from 14 million to 25 million by 2030. This means rise in electricity demand. If we can produce energy-efficient motors, it would reduce electricity demand and have a huge impact on carbon emissions.
Globally, induction motors are classified based on their energy efficiency. IE1, which is a standard efficiency, up to IE4, which is super premium efficiency. In Pakistan, however, manufacturers are not yet making IE1 specification motors. We simply lack R&D and technical know-how. While the policy was needed to create energy efficiency standards, the challenge was to help manufacturers meet those standards.
शाह साहब वो ना इसका मसला बन रहा है तो ये थिमर वगैरह ना इसको टाइट करें अच्छे से चेक करके ना
Golden Dynamics is the leading motors and pumps manufacturing company in Pakistan. We believe we have the capacity to produce IC standard motors. But the biggest challenge is not being able to certify them from any testing lab in the country. Access to testing lab and technical support from CLASP could give the entire industry a huge comparative advantage, particularly giving us access to global markets.
Pakistan's fuel import bill in 2021 was more than $13 billion, and still we have huge energy crisis all across the country. This makes energy efficiency critical to us as manufacturers as well as to our consumers, and we have pioneered the use of solar energy to power our products. In addition to the policy work, the local manufacturer needs technical expertise and know-how so that certified energy-efficient products can be produced locally. CLASP's vision to reduce carbon emission with the technical knowledge of appliance efficiency is a unique way to tackle climate change, and we are eager to work with them to achieve this vision.
Pakistan may be a developing country, far behind the advancements of the West, but that's not due to lack of ambition from the industry. The response we have received has reinforced our belief that the private sector are not content to stay where they are, and they are ready to prove themselves on the global stage. Along with drafting the right policy, this is a great opportunity for a more hands-on collaboration with the industry to transition the local market to higher efficiency products. Working on appliances, it's our best bet to reduce indirect emissions and impact climate change fast.